Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching my next best. In this video I've got yet another video on this beard trimmer. This is one of the cheapest ones I could find online, and Paonies all-in-one beard trimmer. This is the one that we'll be doing the unboxing on. £16, very cheap, and it's got quite a few adjustments and additional modules, fitments, etc. available. So there's one, the usual one, full-size braid trimmer. There's precision trimmer for those cuts for your beard or your hair, and then there's nose and ear hair trimmer as well. 7 guides for all trim lengths. This model number is TC509, and seemed to be very interesting. Like, for 16 quid, what can you get? There's Phillips and all those good stuff, Brown and Phillips and Meridians, and I've got actually one Meridian here. This is one of the other unboxing I'm going to do just after this, for now let's focus on this. So it's again made in China as usual, but it's exclusively for Amazon. As you can see, there's this one, it's in the box and it says by Amazon. It's being sold exclusively on Amazon and stuff. So it's got quite a few modules, as you can see, and some certifications as usual. Nothing in particular around the box. As you can see, there's some features spec on the side. It says 90 minutes charging time, 120 minutes running time, which is quite impressive if you think of that. Powerful and quiet motor, lithium-ion battery, Type-C charging, and self-sharpening blades as standard. So without any further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got inside. Let's just take this, first let's take this covering off, polythene covering, plastic everywhere. Alright, so we've got that out of the way, and what do we have? We've got, very hard to get it out. Okay, so there we are. So in the box you've got this little container, which, there's also one of those bags, which has some additional modules maybe. Let's first have a look at this. Ooh, oh wow. So there's all the modules there, right in there, in this bag. So there's, this is ABS plastic. Doesn't say what the beard length is, but it's very flimsy, as you can see, very flimsy. This is still quite flimsy, but it says nothing. It just says ABS plastic. All of these are so flimsy they're going to break. That's my first impression of this product. Very flimsy. £16, and this oil to just keep the blades operational. Again, this is very small. It's still again quite flimsy, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to break one at some point. But yeah, this is the trimmer, and generally looks fine. The build quality looks alright. Plastic though, but it does probably come off. Yeah, so it does come off. There's the motor at the back, and it's been oiled or lubricated. And if you press this, it's got this green LED light turning on. When you charge, it turns red, and once the charge is full, it turns green. And yeah, that's looking fine. Put it back on, and yep, looks alright to me. In terms of its operation, at the top you can also replace that with this one. It's also got this little bit of lubrication on there, but it's built, the build quality is plastic, so it's going to also be quite risky to have this to operate for longer. And this is the nose trimmer. You just put it on and then you could trim your nose hair. Very interesting. And this is the charging cable, Type-C, and cleaning brush. So all that on top with this box. You can obviously replace the top portion, let's say with the nose trimming, just make sure that it's all covering the ends and edges. Also it's plastic, so just be careful and mindful of the fact that it might break. So as soon as you've pressed it, and the blade starts on the inside, all you need to do is put your thing in, put this in your nose, and that is first cut the hair. And taking off is not a big problem. And where's the other one? This is the precision one. As you put it on, nice and simple, press the button and yeah, there's obviously opera here. Just give you that precision when you're like doing some sort of an edge trimming, like on the hair or the bed and stuff. Very useful. This is a very useful module, I think, with all of the others. And then obviously these additional blades that would fit on top of the standard one, I believe. If you put it on, let's see, put it on, and this would, this would, should, yep, like so. I actually like the Phillips trimmer, which has got like a head which can be adjusted top and bottom, rather than, you know, sort of replacing. Oh gosh, look, this is the problem. This is what's going to happen if you've got a separate module. So you'd have to push it up, I believe, or down. How do you get it out? 6 mm. Oh, it says 6 mm at the back. 5 mm rather. Sorry. But how do you get it out? Oh, right, I get it. So it's got the millimeters. This is like the 9 mm one. You put it on, press it, and it's all locked. When you have to take it off, just push it upwards. Oh, this is another problem. Right, so what have I learned? I've learned it to upwards. Yeah, this is how it goes. So you just keep it pressed from the bottoms where the actual module comes off. And how do you get this one in? Press, go to press, and when you take it off, just pull it from here, from the back side rather than the front. So yeah, it seems to be working perfectly fine, and the Type-C charging option is at the bottom, which you can access easily. And let's say if the battery is exhausted, is there any way you could replace the batteries? That's one of the biggest problems I've come across, that these products are being made to be disposable, and I really don't like the fact that they are ultimately going to be disposed after the batteries have expired or discharged. I really want something that can have batteries replaced and stuff, which would be a more long-lived solution, with the blades sort of nearly sort of going to sort of last for as long as you want. So I've tried to do that replacement on one of the Phillips trimmers, and it did work until a certain time, because I didn't exactly get the lithium batteries were not the exact same capacity, I suppose, which is expect. If it doesn't get that specific capacity, then it just keeps on discharging. There's a discharge cycle that keeps running until you've met a specification that's in the chipset in a trimmer. So that makes it really hard for batteries to be replaced. And all we really want is these batteries to be very modular, very replaceable, and you don't want trimmers to be sort of replaced every couple of years. But yeah, this is what this product is about. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 modules, and 2 additional modules for precision and nose trimming, and the standard one here for the usual trimming. If you've got any questions or queries, do feel free to comment, and I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.